I had the great pleasure and honor to meet with His Excellency President Evariste NDAYISHIMIYE, and I was able to convey the greetings of the custodian of the two holy mosques, King Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, and the custodian and the greetings of His Royal Highness Crown Prince and Prime Minister Mohammed bin Salman bin Abdulaziz to His Excellency, and our desire to continue to develop the very positive relations between our two friendly countries in all areas. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia looks forward to His Excellency participating in the Saudi African Summit later this year, and in the Arab African Summit to be hosted in Saudi Arabia. I was also able to express our thanks and appreciation to His Excellency for Burundi's support for Saudi Arabia's bid to host Expo 2030 in Riyadh, as well as for Burundi's support for Saudi Arabia's bid to host the World Cup in 2034, which we believe will be incredibly amazing events that will be very unique in terms of the world and in terms of the level and quality for both visitors and participants. We discussed ongoing cooperation between our two countries, the common view that we have with regards to the world, our belief in the sovereignty of nations, our belief in the principle of non-interference, our belief in upholding international law. We also discussed our priorities, respectively, in improving the standards of living in our respective countries by having diversified economies, by attracting investment, by improving trade, by empowering youth and women. And so, and we also agreed that our two countries are neighboring nations. The continent of Africa and the Arabian Peninsula were at one point a part of each other, and are neighboring civilizations. The positive developments in one part have a positive impact on the other. The challenges we face are similar challenges, and by working together very closely, we are able to deal with those challenges in a way that is very, very positive. So overall, I express again my thanks and appreciation to His Excellency the President for receiving me today, and I look forward to continue to work with your great country to further broaden and deepen the already very strong and positive ties between our two friendly countries.